latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The EIA draft notification has become the talk of the town. From the opposition parties to environmentalists to common man, there has been stiff opposition to the draft EIA notification. A total of 100 environmental groups, organizations and individuals have opposed the draft EIA notification. The environmental groups have also written to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha MPs requesting them to support the campaign. We are calling upon them to take a stand against the anti-environmental and anti-people draft EIA notification 2020 and demand its immediate withdrawal. As elected political representatives, these ministers are duty-bound to protect the interests of the people and the nation and its resources, which this draft legislation is bound to adversely impact. We have called upon the ministers to write to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to demand withdrawal of the draft EIA notification 2020 and demand instead that strong environmental governance be put in place in consultation with the people for protecting the ecology and natural resources of our country for present and future generations. Former Environment Minister Jairam Ramesh, Aditya Thackeray and Rahul Gandhi have all slammed Javadekar for rolling out such a draft notification. The Union Environment Ministry was quick to respond to the strong criticism he had received.
Saw reaction of some leaders demanding protest against the EIA draft. How can they protest against the draft? It is not a final notification. It was kept for public consultation for 150 days because of COVID-19. Otherwise, it is only 60 days as per the rules.
To calm the nerves of the people, Javadekar even said that people shouldn't jump on the draft as it is not fair practice. The Union Environment Ministry had requested people to submit their objection and suggestions to the contentious draft by August 11th. The ministry received 17 lakh objections, comments and suggestions from people. Apart from this, the Environment Ministry had also held meetings with EIA consultants, industry bodies and companies. The suggestions received from these meetings will also be considered when preparing a final draft. The Union Ministry has now asked the EIA division to study the issues raised by people and to prepare a final notification.
It will take us some time to consider the issues raised by these comments and suggestions. Few people have written to Minister Prakash Javadekar and other officials as well. Even I have received a few letters. Many of them are repetitive.
Needless to say, the draft EIA has many loopholes which allegedly caters to the interests of industrialists and land sharks rather than protecting the environment. The countrymen have raised their voice against the contentious draft and hope that it is revoked.